This is Matt Fletcher. So when I'm documenting, doing inspection and documenting what I'm doing, I take a lot of pictures, but I do make a few notes. Like I wrote down what year the furnace, the AC was here. Didn't write down the furnace because the buyer didn't show up. So I go, well, I'll just take my pictures. I won't write it down because usually I'll give them this or have them take a picture of this with their phone when they get here. So you know, here's a high overview. But anyway, I was checking this sink and I ran the water in here for a few minutes and I looked underneath and I saw it was dripping. So I always take a picture of that, and then I take a picture of I wrote down leaking, and I take a picture of that. Then after I get done making this video, I'll point here and here. Then when I get back to my office, I go through every single one of these pictures. And yeah, it does take longer, I agree, but it's also a better job. Matt Fletcher, thanks for watching.